Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue. I am filming my rosettes here. These are the ones I had to make for a swap that I'm doing for my Facebook swap group. It's called Pocket Letters and Embellishments. And these are for a partner for me to swap with. So let me show you this one. Sorry if it's dark in here. I'm doing a different angle on my camera. I had problems with it was too bright in my last two videos, and I finally figured out what it was on my camera, but now it's kind of dark because I'm in a different angle. But I think you can see it. This one, you can see, I cut out the paper and I punched it with the Martha Stewart lace punch on the end, so it had this little effect here. And then I had some cutouts or die cuts that I already had in a little thing that I have a bunch of them in there, and I found this little snowflake looking thing. And then this right here is a spellbinder. One of those fold and something, I forget the name of it. And then this is just a little brad that I had that kind of matched because it has a little snowflake on it. Alright, and then this one, the paper that I used on this one, I can't remember where I got it from, but it's got purples and pinks in it. So I found this little thing here that had the purples, and it's got a blue tint, and I'm not sure there's any, yeah, there's a little bit of blue in there, but not much. But I had this little tree that went with a snowman that I'd put on a card for a different project, so I wanted to put him somewhere, so I put it there and then put some little eyelash trim in there. I don't really think that this tree goes with this, but I put it on there anyway. This one is, this is card paper from, I think it was Hobby Lobby. It's just got little holly leaves with the little red berry things on there. But the color, I did it for the color because it was dark and I wanted to put some stuff on it so it'd pop. So this is another one of those die cuts, and then this is from my favorite die cut, the swirly thing, and I found that thing that it went in to get the name, and now I forgot what it was. I gotta write it down. And this is some of the little bottle cap things that I made a while back, and I just did a bunch of them and put them in a drawer. And then this is a bow that I made a while back. I had in my go-to, and it had these colors. It was for Christmas, so I'll put it on there. Okay. Alright, and this one, another one of those things here, and I put, I have this twine that's a Merry Christmas, or it's a Christmas with the green and red and white in there. So I thought I'd use that. I don't really have any eyelash trim that would kind of match these. It's all pastel looking colors, I think. Anyway, the paper that I use is actually came off of a piece of paper, and this was like a border that you cut out. And so I have a bunch of these borders in this little pack where I had all this stuff, so I thought I'd use it. So it was a Christmas one. I think it's just got a bunch of gnomes on there. I can't remember, but I like the colors. So there's that one. And then this little one here, this is the last one I made. I did this thing again. Punch thing, Martha Stewart punch to this one. And this is another piece I had in my die cut stash. And then this is just a little thing I had in my stash. It's a little, there it is, you see it now. So there's that one, and I think my battery's supposed to go out, so let me show you this one. This had ornaments on it, but it was the red and white, and there is a octagon, I forget where it came from. It just had some music notes on it, and this Mary here with this little thing on it came from it's like Merry Christmas. It had Christmas right here, so I cut off some of it. And then this is a big giant snowflake brad I had. I took the brads off and just glued it on there. And this is a bow that I had in my stash that I cut out. And most of these I put some glitter or glitter glue on these just to give it a little shiny on it. I don't know if you noticed that. I just did that. And I did it on this one, but I didn't do it on the rest of them. I thought they had enough stuff on them. So anyway, let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you guys later then. Thanks. Bye.